Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we're diving into the world of email marketing with a platform that's been gaining attention, GetResponse. So if you're running a digital business or just starting out, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Now, we all know that success for any company boils down to a killer product or service and an effective marketing strategy. And when it comes to grabbing and keeping your audience's attention, email marketing is a game changer. So today, let's explore GetResponse, an email marketing platform designed to help you connect with customers, visitors, and subscribers. GetResponse has been around since 1997, starting as an email marketing tool and evolving into a full-fledged CRM with social media features. It's all about simplifying your digital marketing efforts and saving you time and money. So why GetResponse? Well, first off, they offer a limited free trial to test the waters. It includes a fully customizable website with one landing page, great for directing customers and gathering info. But as with anything free, there are limitations, like a 5 GB bandwidth cap on your site. If you decide to go beyond the trial, GetResponse offers 3 paid plans: email marketing, marketing automation, and e-commerce marketing. Each comes with its own perks, but they all provide unlimited emails and marketing automation. Now here's the catch. They charge an additional fee for your contact list size. If you have over 1,000 subscribers, you'll be paying extra, and the cost increases as your list grows. It's a factor to consider based on your business size and goals. Despite this, GetResponse impressed me with its features. The platform excels in email marketing, especially automation. It makes setting up campaigns a breeze, handling most tasks autonomously, with room for occasional tweaks to keep things fresh. And let's not forget the social media tool, acting like your all-in-one social media planner. It's a time saver for scheduling posts across various platforms. In conclusion, GetResponse is a solid choice, especially for smaller businesses focused on quality engagement. If you want to integrate your digital marketing efforts efficiently and don't mind the contact list fees, it's worth checking out. All right, that wraps up our review of GetResponse. If you're considering trying it out, take advantage of it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.